Supermassive black holes, the stuff of science fiction nightmares, or part of the mechanics that drive our existence in the universe. These elusive cosmic bodies have been shrouded from our earthly view, until now. Astronomers at Durham University have unearthed evidence that millions of these monster-sized black holes could exist, having found 5 of them using the latest X-ray technology in NASA's New Stars satellite.
When we talk about these supermassive black holes, what we're talking about are the largest and the heaviest black holes that we know about. And this term supermassive sounds a bit like a hyperbole, but if you imagine trying to take hundreds of millions of suns and squeeze them into an area the size of a small country, that's the kind of thing we're talking about. These hidden black holes are likely surrounded by dense cocoons of material, cocoons of dust and gas, and it's very difficult for the light emitted around these black holes to escape through these cocoons. It's like, so imagine trying to shine some light onto a brick wall. Not much is going to come out the other side. Now, with NewStar, we targeted a few galaxies where we suspected that these hidden black holes might lurk in the very center of these galaxies. What we learned from that data is that these black holes are much more deeply buried in gas and dust than we previously thought. And also, when you remove these cocoons of gas and dust, these black holes are actually much more active than we previously thought. They're very rapidly devouring their surrounding material. They're feasting on the galaxy, which gives them a home.
And if you're wondering just how a galaxy-devouring black hole on the other side of the cosmos really affects our tiny lives, it's space technology that eventually has more earthly applications.
In terms of the everyday life of people here in Durham, the short-term impact isn't very obvious. But what I can say is, when you want to make these new scientific discoveries in astronomy, it almost always requires new technological developments for the telescopes that go into space. And this technology often filters down into everyday use. Technology such as CAT scanners and MRIs was actually originally, the imaging techniques for those technologies were originally developed for astronomical research.
So, as Durham leads the way in our understanding of existence, it's perhaps worth bearing in mind the Northeast's impact on the universal stage. Mark Patterson for Made in Tyne and Weir in Durham.